What's up, Sharks? This is Mr. O with the next version of Flip Notes for our unit. This is the part of the unit where I believe we'll get a lot more new for you rather than review. I think food chain and stuff like that has a lot of review material. This one's a lot of new material. Starting on the top of your notes, it talks about the big idea, and we're going to explain how plants respond to stimuli. And a stimuli is something that causes a reaction, and in order to enhance their survival in the environment. You'll remember in the earlier in the unit I asked you about how do plants survive, and a lot of you put photosynthesis, but this is the other part of that I was looking for that I didn't believe you might know about that. So starting off with your notes, we have external stimuli, which are conditions in the environment that the plant encounters. You are putting in environment, and these can be a variety of things. I have 4, but you're actually going to add 3 more in. So here are the 7 that we talk about in 6th grade. You have gravity, meaning the pull of force, sunlight, temperature, day length, touch, chemical, and water. These are the stimuli that would cause a response within plants. So there's 4 on your sheet, but you're adding in 5, 6, and 7. You can put those right to the right side. And these are the different stimuli that plants have to respond to in a daily occurrence in order to survive and effectively grow and live. The next is dormancy. This is the period of inactivity in a mature seed prior to, and if you don't know what prior to means, it means before germination. Germination is that thing you did way back in 1st and 2nd grade when you put a little bean in a bag and a wet paper towel and it sprouted a stem. So that would be germination. You see it on a daily occurrence in North Carolina during the wintertime when the grasses go brown or when the leaves drop their leaves or the trees drop their leaves. That would be dormancy. The seed will remain dormant until conditions are favorable, favorable meaning good for the plant to grow and develop as a new plant. So plants are smart enough to remain dormant until the conditions work for them. We'll explain more of this when we get back together. Tropism. Tropism is plants' movement, turning or bending to an external stimuli. So if you look up to those stimuli, those 7 you wrote before, there are plants will either go towards or away from them, and then if they go towards them or away from them, they are classified as 2 different types of tropisms. There are positive tropisms when the plant grows toward it, you're filling that in, and then there's negative where it will grow away from it. Now there are 2 boxes below these words. You're going to leave those blank. We will fill those in for more warm-ups on Thursday. And then dormancy and tropism enhances a plant's survival rate is the last thing you need to write on the bottom of your notes. It's the reason why we are studying this, and we will talk more. If you have any questions, please write them down in your notes. When we start class on Thursday, I'm going to ask any questions you have on these ideas. These are relatively new, so I should expect some questions from you for this. See you tomorrow.